Hello everyone, it's your Mark Kinsey, friend of Munipals and Trains with another video today. And as we see here, this kind of that normal R188 7 train. About 2 years old now. Well, not 2 years old with like this, but the model that Munipals been selling it, about 2 years old. You got it? R188, circle in the front, diamond on the back. Now we have an original circle in both directions and an original diamond on both directions too. 3, 2, 1. Bam. So yeah, we have this R33 World's Fair. Not World Fair. I don't know what ML actually means, but that should be regular. We're trying to get this open, and if I ever could, yeah, hopefully it work trains. I get those later, but the sticker part, that's the hard thing to do though. And plus I have like a limited amount of time. Hold on, let me put the phone down. And yeah, also this is my first unboxing video finally uploaded to YouTube because there's some sort of thing that was going on and they deleted some of my videos. Not even some, just like about half of my videos were deleted. Whoops. Yeah, so 7 train Flushing loco. The R33 Redbird. Right there, right there. I like how they make the design. Another thing that I noticed is that the R32, the R32C and, what do you call it? R32C and J trains. C and Z trains actually, and including the J train, all R32s for the Munipals. You notice that they actually didn't have to. Please go. Sorry about that, guys. My brother, stepbrother, you know how he is with trains. Yeah, 7 Heaven. Here we have it. Yeah, I'm gonna do the part 2 video of opening the other one because I have limited time on my phone for some reason. They keep saying that my file is full. Yeah, so we got the bus subway trains. Yeah. Midtown Manhattan subway said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. R188 7 to be exact. A. Bus depot set B, C, D, E, F, G, J, L, M, N. The work train set Q, R, S, W. 7 New York City bus, which is Orion 7. Yeah, thanks for watching this.